Right, welcome back. As I said in the last episode that I thought I'd do an onboard Busa vlog update really. Still running brilliantly, still loud as ever. But no, it's basically to answer really a few questions about how the bike feels, what it's like. Morning, Mr. Squirrel. How's it like with the upright bars? Do you get battered by the wind? All good questions. Upright bars, yes, I absolutely love them. I mean, they are brilliant. They're a lot easier for me. Wind battering, not actually too bad. It's actually pretty good. Also, the other question I had was, how does it feel cornering, etc., and just general feel due to the extensions on the swing arm? Honestly, I hardly notice any difference. I mean, obviously if you want to do a U-turn, that's a different matter. It does take a little bit longer, but general cornering, no, it's feels practically the same as it did. So overall, happy with everything that's been done on it and how it's turned out. I mean, the only problems I've had so far is I did have a slight coolant leak. That was Friday, but that was literally just a case of side panel off, and it was just tightening up a few. Obviously, I need to go over this thing and re-tighten up all bolts, etc., and nuts and screws. That's the only downside of the exhaust. It does cause a lot of vibration. So that was just a hose clamp that had basically just worked itself loose, so that's now tight, no problems, re-ran again, and that's great. I think personally for me the only thing I would change on this bike is the seat. My god, it's hard. I know it's a standard seat, but yeah, the seat definitely needs changing for a softer version. But other than that, no, it's great. Bloody cyclists. Nice overtakes on the wrong side of the road. But yeah, as I said before, I think the other thing I'd change obviously would be the brakes. But no, basically still grinning with this bike. I think I fell in love with this bike the moment I saw it. And it doesn't matter how old you get, the grin factor's still there. It is one great piece of machinery. So as I say, if anybody's got any questions, then keep them coming. Comments box below. I do really appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. Any questions on the booster at all, pop them in the comments box. I mean, also, if anybody's got any questions on the Z650 build, say, please ask. I mean, obviously, you know, that's a brand new experience for me doing that build. Hopefully, it shouldn't be too far away now from hopefully the bottom end reassembly. Basically, getting all the gearbox in place. Got a few bearings to replace. Get some plastic gauge as well, because I need to see if them bearing shells are any good. I mean, thanks for all the comments I've had on regarding plastic gauge, and you know, I've had a few people point me to other videos that have done it before, so that was a great help, so I really appreciate that. I really hope this is coming out. As I say, I've done many tests on this. I seem to have got it, but you never know. Knowing my luck, probably forgot to press record. Yeah, I've actually done that before. Done a whole video, didn't realise I didn't turn the camera on. Or press record. Yeah, I actually forgot the other question I'd been asked as well is what am I planning for my next build? I haven't even finished this one, but good thought, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, good question. Kind of have a couple of ideas going through my head. Nothing concrete. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing. I mean, yeah, I'd love to do a Street Fighter. Obviously, that was one thing I would want to do. I wouldn't mind doing a sort of kind of a butcher classic, sort of old school muscle bike. That's always kind of appealed. I do love the sort of like the old style, well, the old style Zs really, Z1000s, Z9s, but maybe something like that, but kind of mix it up with a bit of modernisation in there as well. So that's one thing I am thinking about. I mean, one of the other jobs that I really could do with doing is the Varadero. I mean, that's basically a daily rider. that could kind of do with a makeover. I mean, I've had that now probably about 5 years or more. Had 19,000 miles on the clock when I picked it up. I think the last time I rode it is just under 87,000. You know, but it's a tough one to think, well, you know, do I give it a makeover and give it a freshen up, and but then a lot of people say if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and it ain't broke, but it is tired. So I really don't know, so let me know your thoughts on that one. But that just about wraps up my well, my first vlog. If anybody likes this, I'll try and do it a bit more often if I can get something to talk about. So as usual, comments in the comments box below, links to other videos top left and top right, and join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.